How to fix ExpanDrive not uninstalling on Mac. Here's a script you can use to uninstall ExpanDrive on Mac. 1. Open TextEdit or any other plain text editor. 2. Copy and paste the following code into the editor, #bin/bash. #stop ExpanDrive processes sudo killall ExpanDrive #remove ExpanDrive components sudo rmrf/application/ExpanDrive.app sudo rmrf/library/framework /ExpanDrive.framework sudo rmrf/library/LaunchAgents/com ExpanDrive.expandrive2.helper.list sudo rmrf/library/LaunchDaemons/com ExpanDrive2.uninstaller.list sudo rmrf/library/LaunchDaemons/com ExpanDrive2.volume-manager.list sudo rmrf/library/preferences/com ExpanDrive.expandrive2.list sudo rmrf/user/$ whoami /library/application/support/ExpanDrive sudo rmrf/user/$ whoami /library/preferences/com ExpanDrive.expandrive2.list sudo rmrf/user/$ whoami /library/LaunchAgents/com ExpanDrive.expandrive2.list sudo rmrf/user/$ whoami /library/log/expandrive sudo rmrf/private/var/db/receipt/com ExpanDrive.expandrive2** echo ExpanDrive has been uninstalled. 3. Save the file with the name and the .sh extension, e.g. uninstall_expandrive.sh, in the directory of your choice. 4. Open terminal and navigate to the directory where you saved the file using the cd command. 5. Run the script by typing /uninstall_expandrive.sh and pressing enter. 6. Enter your administrator password when prompted. 7. Wait for the script to finish running. Once it's done, ExpanDrive will be completely uninstalled from your Mac. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.